Here we have for sale this October 2023 on a 73 plate Volkswagen Crafter. This is CR35, so 3.5 ton gross vehicle weight. This one has got the 2-litre TDI Euro 6 diesel engine producing 140 PS, which is roughly 140 brake horsepower. That is accompanied with a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's based on a Startline chassis cab, of course. And this one is a double cab Dropside. What we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Startline Dropside of this age. We'll also have a really good look at the condition of this particular example, talk to you about the service history and what we've done to it during our preparation in readiness for sale of this Dropside here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one has got the fantastic Ingimex Dropside body. Very simple to operate. You have a handle here on either end of each Dropside panel. So pull that up and the Dropside comes completely down. You have got some handy little lashing hooks which are on the sides of the vehicle, but then also on the bulkhead, which is just there as well. The body is 11.5 foot long. So actually, this one being a long wheelbase, even though you've got the double cab, it still offers you a really good length there on the Dropside. Nice little side marker lights, as you can see there. But yeah, this one being a nice alloy-sided Dropside, it helps to save on a little bit of weight as well, just giving you a touch more payload. In terms of condition, we'll pop that back up. We can just show you a bit of the condition. So of course you are going to get a few little marks here or there dotted around on the Dropside panels, which you can see here. Probably the most significant one is this, which is a scrape there, which is going along the bottom. As you saw, it doesn't change the operation of it in any way. It operates absolutely fine, even with one hand. But of course, always point anything like that out. The chassis itself is still looking in pretty good order. Of course, not perfect, but in pretty good order indeed. Tyres on the rear are looking very, very good also. The rear plate back here, that is all looking very nice and fresh and clean and tidy and straight. The rear Dropside does have some little cables on it which just hold it at 90 degrees. When you drop that down, that provides a handy little platform just there, and of course you can unhook that as well if you want to load it right down flat. But yeah, being an Ingimex body operates very, very easily on all three of the sides. Not stiff to use or anything. It's very smart indeed. Now, we do have service history with this vehicle, so it was serviced back in January of 2025. During our preparation, we've put it right through our van specialist workshop. We're giving it a further interim service as well. So we've done an oil filter and pollen filter as well, of course, as the oil change. So we've gone through it and given it a nice interim service, ready for sale. And of course, you've got the balance of manufacturer's warranty until the 31st of October 2026, so a bit of time left on that. The cab is looking very sharp indeed, actually looking very, very nice. A couple of tiny little marks like this one just here. Again, probably the most significant one is this here, which is just sort of tucked around the back. A little dent just there which has broken the paint. We will touch that in just to improve that slightly. You don't really notice it, but as I say, it's sort of tucked in there. But yeah, as I say, other than that, it's looking pretty clean inside. You're going to get a few little marks on the very edge of the door again, which will just neatly touch in. And there are a few stone chips, of course, on the bonnet, which is pretty unavoidable. But generally speaking, looking quite clean and tidy, it must be said. Inside the cab then, let's have a look inside here. So this one is a double cab. So you have got rear opening windows. You can open those from the inside if you want to. But nice condition in here. The floor is looking very good. And this is set up as a 7-seater. So the second row of seats is a set of 4, so very handy with a gang going to a job on this, getting 7 people all in the same vehicle. Lovely condition inside here for the front seats, all looking very, very smart indeed. The step, the floor under here is all looking very nice. The vehicle is supplied with 2 keys, I should say, the main one being a a full remote. The second one may be a non-remote spare. I'd have to double check that. 6-speed manual gearbox, because this one being the 140, it does give you that 6-speed box, which is very nice. And this one has got air conditioning, which is also a very nice feature as well. Radio up here, and you have got a USB and an SD card slot just there, and you will also be able to connect your phone to this via Bluetooth as well. But yeah, inside here, all looking very nice. You have some overhead storage up here. These slots here, if you did want to add a tachograph at any point, you can do that. 31,705 miles recorded. But yeah, all looking really, really clean and tidy there in the cab. And then yeah, further around to the front, just trying to finish off around here, just see if there's anything else that I can see, which I can point out to you. But generally speaking, looking very clean and tidy. So just to summarise then, it's on October 2023 on a 73 plate Volkswagen Crafter CR35 Startline double cab Dropside, with that lovely alloy Dropside body on the back, 11.5 foot. Very tidy condition that is absolutely ready to be put straight into work. And I say this one's set up as a 7-seater. I think that looks very clean and sharp. And I say previous service history, remainder of manufacturer's warranty. This was all absolutely good to go with the fresh service that we have put on it as well. We can take cars or vans in part exchange. We can arrange finance at very competitive rates. We can also deliver our vehicles nationwide as well. And as I say, you have got, of course, that benefit of the manufacturer's warranty for your peace of mind. Any further inquiries, feel free to head over to our website, bridgendvans.co.uk, which you can see there on the bottom of the sign. That is where you'll find the full advert of this vehicle, including the price, the description, and the photography. Along with, of course, all of the other vans that we've currently got in stock here as well. But we will look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much for watching.